Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share screen on WhatsApp video call. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and tap the chat of the person you want to call. Then, tap the video icon at the top right corner. Once the call connects, look at the bottom of your screen and you'll see a new option called Share Screen. Then, tap Share Screen, then confirm by selecting Start Now on Android or Start Broadcast on iPhone. Your entire phone screen will now be visible to the other person on the call. You can open apps, show photos, or demonstrate steps in real time. When you're done, just go back to the WhatsApp and tap Stop Sharing. Then, your video call will continue as normal without the shared screen. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.